For years, high-resolution landscape, commercial, and studio photographers faced an unspoken compromise. If you wanted extreme, jaw-dropping megapixels that could resolve individual blades of grass miles away or capture microscopic textures in a commercial product shoot, you had to sacrifice speed. Your camera was heavy, sluggish, plagued by rolling shutter, and utterly useless for fast-moving action or wildlife. Cameras like Sony's own legendary A7R gave us incredible detail, but they were built for patience, not for the heat of the moment. But behind closed doors in Tokyo, Sony's top-secret engineering division has just obliterated that compromise. Confidential factory manifests, supply chain leaks from component plants, and inner-circle firmware test builds have completely exposed the next-generation flagship, the Sony A7R. And this is not just an incremental resolution bump. Sony has done the unthinkable. They have taken a massive, ultra-high-resolution sensor and given it fully stacked architecture. If you thought you knew what a high-resolution mirrorless camera was capable of, prepare to throw away everything you know. The Sony A7R is engineered to render almost every professional camera currently on the market completely obsolete, shaking the entire photography and videography industry to its core. To understand why this leak is sending shockwaves through professional circles, we have to look directly at the heart of the machine, the image sensor. For generations, high-resolution sensors relied on traditional backside illuminated designs. They were brilliant at gathering light and producing massive files, but their data readout speeds were inherently slow. That is why high-megapixel cameras always suffered from severe rolling shutter distortion when panning or shooting electronic bursts. Leaked manufacturing blueprints and sensor specifications confirm that Sony is breaking convention by equipping the A7R with a newly developed, custom-engineered 67-megapixel fully stacked XMR RS CMOS sensor. Let that sink in for a moment. A fully stacked sensor architecture means the light-gathering photodiodes sit directly on top of dedicated high-speed processing circuits and integrated memory layers. This unlocks data readout speeds that bypass traditional bottlenecks entirely. In the real world, rolling shutter distortion is virtually eliminated. You can track a race car, a flying bird, or a fast-moving athlete using the electronic shutter without worrying about skewed lines, bent poles, or warped backgrounds. And because of this unprecedented sensor speed, Sony has completely rewritten what a high-resolution camera can do in continuous shooting scenarios. Paired with the next-generation Bion's XR2 processing engine, the A7R shatters previous limits by unlocking continuous shooting at up to 30 frames per second in full, uncompressed 14-bit RAW format, complete with 60 calculations per second of autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. Think about what that means for working professionals. You no longer have to choose between a slow landscape camera and a fast sports body. With the A7R, you get 67 megapixels of razor-sharp detail combined with 30 frames per second action-stopping speed. To make that speed even more devastatingly effective, Sony is bringing advanced RAW pre-capture technology straight to the R series for the first time. The moment you press your shutter button halfway down, the camera begins continuously buffering high-resolution frames into memory. When you fully depress the button, the camera saves the moments right before you clicked. For wildlife photographers waiting hours for a bird to take flight or street shooters tracking unpredictable moments, missing the decisive split-second action is now a thing of the past. Autofocus intelligence is also receiving a massive, deep learning generation leap. Powered by a dedicated AI processing unit working alongside the main processor, the A7R introduces predictive subject recognition that tracks human eyes, animal bodies, birds, insects, cars, trains, and airplanes with sticky, unwavering precision. Even if your subject turns around, dips behind an obstruction, or moves erratically through a chaotic environment, the camera's tracking box locks on and refuses to let go. Of course, all those megapixels and blistering frame rates generate massive amounts of data, which brings us to the physical yield and handling upgrades. One of the most frequent complaints from professional shooters using past generations of the A7R series was the body ergonomics, specifically, a shallow handgrip that felt cramped when paired with heavy telephoto or fast prime G master lenses. Internal chassis schematics reveal that Sony has completely overhauled the ergonomics of the A7R. The camera adopts a deeper, more substantial handgrip heavily inspired by Sony's elite flagship sports bodies, offering a secure, fatigue-free hold during long, demanding shoots. The physical button layout, command dials, and joystick have been refined for better tactile feedback, and the weather sealing gaskets around every door, seam, and dial have been upgraded to military-grade specifications to withstand torrential rain, high humidity, and freezing alpine environments. The electronic viewfinder and rear display have also received massive overhauls. Leaked component specifications point to an ultra-bright, high-resolution OLED viewfinder featuring 50% higher maximum brightness than previous flagship models, ensuring crystal-clear visualization even under blinding midday sunlight. The rear multi-angle articulating screen has been redesigned to offer smoother mechanical movement without blocking cable connections, accompanied by a modernized menu interface that finally brings total clarity to Sony's deep customization settings. Power management, long a critical concern for high-resolution hybrid shooters, is significantly improved. The A7R utilizes higher-capacity battery systems paired with power-efficient 2nm class peripheral management, allowing extended shooting sessions, massive time-lapse, and long-form video recording without constantly swapping out power packs. Speaking of video, the A7R transforms into an absolute monster for hybrid creators. Thanks to the blistering readout speeds of the stacked 67-megapixel sensor, rolling shutter during video recording is practically non-existent. Leaked internal software builds confirm support for internal 8K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, alongside oversampled, crop-free 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second in 10-bit 4:2:2 color. Combined with advanced active stabilization yielding up to 8.5 stops of shake compensation, S-Log3, and seamless integration with professional audio accessories, this camera functions as an Elite 8 camera for high-end cinematic and commercial productions. When you look at the big picture, the Sony A7R represents a seismic shift in camera design. By fusing medium-format rivaling resolution with sports car-level speed, Sony is delivering the ultimate all-in-one professional tool. The era of choosing between extreme detail and uncompromised performance is officially over. The photographic landscape is about to change forever. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss our day one breakdown when Sony officially pulls back the curtain, and drop a comment below letting us know, does a 67-megapixel stack sensor shooting at 30 frames per second make the A7R your ultimate dream camera, or are you sticking with your current kit? Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.